Hi dear students, welcome to RYT channel. In our previous video, we have learned about how to score 50 marks in mathematics by just studying 10 hours. In this video, I'm going to show you Super 50 SSLC Science, where you can learn for 50 marks in a short duration of time. As you can see on the screen, this is the first section of the chapters where I have listed 9 chapters which are mostly theory based, where you can score 31 marks out of 39. The first chapter is I have listed them in the order such that they will be easy for studying. So the first one is the most easiest chapter I found, chemical reactions. In this you have type of reactions, then balancing equations. Total 4 marks are there. You can score 3 marks very easily. The next one is how do organisms reproduce. In this they will ask you copying of DNA and variation, then types of reproduction in both sexual as well as asexual organisms, then heredity and evolution. In this they will ask you again about the variation which we studied in that organisms reproduction chapter, and then they will ask you about Mendel's experiment, tall tall tree, short tree, and all those, then evolution and speciation. Then human eye, the next chapter is human eye, where they'll ask you about parts of human eye, iris, pupil, retina, etc. Then power of accommodation, which is very important. Then defects of vision, short sightedness, long sightedness. Then reflection of light, refraction of light through a white prism. Then Vibgayar colors, which one has highest wavelength, which one has lowest wavelength. Then how a rainbow is formed, why do stars twinkle, why planets do not twinkle, what is Tyndall effect, why is the sky blue. These kind of questions will come again. They are very easy to understand and answer. Next one is sources of energy. Here they will ask you about what is a good fuel, what are conventional resources, what are alternative resources. For 3 marks this chapter will be, and you can score 3 out of 3 easily. Next one is our environment, again very easy question chapter. Here they will ask you about ecosystem, then food chain, then trophic levels and effect on the environment. Very small chapter, again 2 out of 2 marks you can score. Next one is natural resources. In this they will ask you about 5 hours to save the environment, and water harvesting they will ask. Next one is life processes. Here they will ask you about the digestion system, respiration system, then heart, then kidney, and all these things details they'll ask you. Next one is control and coordination. Here structure of neuron is very important in this. Then they'll ask you hydrotropism, geotropism, then different types of hormones. So in this section, as you can see, out of 39 marks you can score 31 marks very easily. The next section is having the chapters wherein you have some mathematical calculations also. In this first one is electricity, where you have to study this, what is charge, what is current, what is potential difference, then what is Ohm's law, and then how resistors can be connected in series or parallel, draw a circuit diagram, then applications of heating effect of electric current like heater, electric heater, and all those things they will ask. This chapter is for 7 marks. 4 marks very easily can score, and if you learn those small problems also, 7 marks out of 7 you can score. Next one is magnetic effect of electric current. In this they'll ask you what are the characteristics of magnetic field lines, then Fleming's left hand rule, principle involved in electric motor and generator, then electromagnetic induction. Out of 6 marks, 3 marks very easily you can score. Next one is light reflection and refraction. In this they will ask you about refraction, focal length, what is radius of curvature, what is magnification, what is power of a lens. Small formulae are there for all these things. And also they will ask you ray diagram for 3 marks. If you study ray diagram also, then out of 7 at least 6 marks you can score. If you leave ray diagrams, at least 3 marks you can score. Next one is periodic classification of elements. Here they'll ask you how many periods are there, how many groups are there, what is Mendeleev's periodic table, what is Dobrynin triads, what are Newland's octaves. Very simple things again. Next one is carbon and its compounds. Here they will ask you small definitions, isomers and covalent bonds, homologous series. Then in this ethanol and ethanoic acid, this is very important. Next one is metals and non-metals. In this they'll ask you what are physical properties and what are the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Then ionic compounds, this is very important in this, and also action of steam on metal and electrolytic refining of copper. These they have asked in exam, these diagrams and labels, so it is very important. Next one is acids, bases and salt. They'll ask you what is pH level, then chloralkali process, bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris. Very easy topics again. So here in this section, total out of 41 marks, I have assumed you can score, even if you take very less also, you can score 19 marks minimum. In this way, together from both the sections, you can score 50 marks very easily. This was the first section and this is the second section. Now coming to this section, you can see list of diagrams in science. In this science examination, there are around 12 to 15 marks questions completely based on the diagrams. They will ask you write the diagram and label the parts. So the list is given here. They have given around 30 diagrams in this list. If you can see, once again I'll move this side. They have given the chapter name, chapter number, figure number, name of the diagram, page number, everything is given. So around 30 diagrams are there. If you practice them, 12 to 15 marks is guaranteed out of this. Okay, except those theory questions. Here itself you can score 12 to 15 marks. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you. This video is brought to you by RYT Recharge Your Talent. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with all your friends and contacts. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best for your exam.